はいどうも皆様おはようございますじゃねえな、こんにちはですね。もうこちらはですね、茨城県は大洗に来ております。このチャンネル見ていただいている方はおそらくあれかってお思いの方は結構いらっしゃると思うんですけど、そうです、去年に引き続きハイパフォーマンスカーショーの方にやってまいりました。去年みたいに全泊ができなかったんで、ちょっとバイクで急いで来ちゃいましたんで車ではないんですが、いやくっそ暑いね。しかも何さっきの渋滞、アクアマリン大洗だっけ、なんかそれに入るための渋滞だから、でもとんでもない大渋滞。しかもこの道のりをまた今日帰るとなるとなかなかに酷ですね。いやさっき海の近く走ってたんですけど、海の近くがめちゃくちゃ涼しかったんですけどね、海風で。はいということでね、本日はハイパフォーマンスカーショーのエントリーしてる車たちをご覧に入れようと思いますんでね、今回限りになるのか2部構成になるのかはちょっとまだ不明ですが、去年同様かっこいい車たちがエントリーしていると思いますので、皆さん最後までぜひご覧ください。おお懐かしい、1年ぶり。バイクはどちらですか？400円。400円ありますよ、ちょっと待って。了解です。じゃあ500円からで。はい。うわかっこいい。おいいね、俺も日陰に止めたいわ。着いた、ようやく到着です。よし、じゃああと皆さん探しましょうか。の前にちょっと一服ですね。
Growing up, parents got me a guitar. Said you could do anything, kid, you could go far. You could be the president, fireman, race cars. The sky's the limit, kid, so shoot for the stars. So I strummed that guitar every day. Found a passion for music, never went away. I joined a couple bands and played a few shows. Tried to impress the girl in the front row. But soon enough, everything starts to change. As you grow up, nobody treats you the same. They try to take your future and make it real safe. You could be a doctor, accountant, or something sane. But yo, whatever happened to the sky was the limit. I fell in love with music, never thought it was a gimmick. I worked so hard on every tune and every single lyric. My whole identity depended on being artistic. Now you wanna strip that away, so you feel okay? Cause if I make it to the top, what does that really say? That you shouldn't have given up, that you made the mistake? But if I fail, you feel much better about picking your lane, right? Yeah, things are gonna get better real soon. Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do. I got a clear view, we're gonna make it soon. Just keep pushing through. Yo, what you got to lose? Yo, what you got to lose? Yo, what you got to lose? Just keep pushing through. Cause what you got to lose? Got to lose, 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 got to lose. I won't give up, I won't back down till the line 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. I won't give up, I won't back down till the line 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. Be honest, life's a competition. So if I'm going to play, then I'm gonna play to win it. I refuse to sit and rot at a desk all day unless I have a passion I'm working towards, okay? I'd rather be dead on the outside than inside. A bullet to the head than 25 to life in a cubicle alone, just trying to get by, building someone else's dream instead of building mine. If you're hearing me, this is meant to inspire. If you have a dream or if you have desires, a girl in your life that's making you feel that fire, go fight for her man, go die for her man. Cause you only have one life, one chance to do it, one chance to prove it to yourself, so don't lose it. You got this fam, just keep pushing on through it. One day you'll look back so glad you pursued it. Yeah, things are gonna get better real soon. Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do. I got a clear view. We're gonna make it soon. Just keep pushing through. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. いいかな？さあ行きます。キャデラック、レディー、ゴExcept for me now, I won't give up, I won't back down. Till the line 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. You won't stop me now, because I got this now. I got the formula and I'm about to drop it loud. So what we talking about? There is no talking now. We take action with passion, we're rocking now. It's tick-tocking now, the clock's talking down. And all I hear is haters try so hard to talk me down. But they can't stop the sound, already on the ground. Everything is growing faster than I can count. You ain't gon' stop me now, because I got this now. I got the formula and I'm about to drop it loud. So what we talking about? There is no talking now. We take action with passion, we're rocking now. It's tick-tocking now, the clock's talking down. And all I hear is haters try so hard to talk me down. But they can't stop the sound, already on the ground. Everything is growing faster than I can count. Everything is growing faster than I can count.
Rather give me drugs than give me good advice. Brody keep a grip, always stay with advice. And it cost to be the boss, but I still don't pay the price. All my diamonds hit different when you put them in the light. If you hold it down, I'ma put it on a white. I just came in, bet it's going by the night. Rather give me drugs than give me good advice. Brody keep a grip, always stay with advice. And it cost to be the boss, but I still don't pay the price. All my diamonds hit different when you put them in the light. If you hold it down, I'ma put it on a white. I just came in, bet it's going by the night. Been getting money, man, this shit don't excite me. Turn to a boss, you never met, no one like me. Don't need my team one-on-one, it's just me and you. They hate you for being you. It's crazy, everyone left right around the time when I needed you. Watch the knowledge they feeding. What's in it for them? They probably misleading you. Hop in the sky, not turbo, let's race it. Dead or in jail, he didn't think I would make it. Give you my heart, but just swear you won't break it. My cops don't work even though I could take it. Walk in the spot and she wanna know me. Say she got her man and won't keep it low key. Say you got my back, but you gotta show me my life on D&D. There couple perks to being me. Life when I asked for help, now you needed me. Say you a killer, I disagree. Ain't even fucking, she missing me. Behind my back, only time they be dissing me. I'm tryna make history. Pull out of some shots, don't know it's a mystery. Heard out her mom, now they live life in misery. Ice on my wrist like I got an injury. She had my line when she wanna fuck. Told her no, gotta get to the buck. Told him break a leg, I hope he got luck. I took all his treasure, threw it in the trunk. You try ride the wave and then your ship sunk. When you like a pussy, give you what you want. Pull up in that foreign, I ain't tryna stunt. My pockets so beast, they on Professor Crunch. Give me drugs, then give me good advice. Brody keep a grip, always stay with advice. And it costs to be the boss, but I still don't pay the price. All my diamonds hit different when you put them in the light. If you hold it down, I'ma put it on a white. I just came in, bet it's going by the night. Been getting money, man, this shit don't excite me. Turn to a boss, you never met, no one like me. Rather give me drugs than give me good advice. Brody keep a grip, always stay with advice. And it costs to be the boss, but I still don't pay the price. All my diamonds hit different when you put them in the light. If you hold it down, I'ma put it on a white. I just came in, bet it's going by the night. Been getting money, man, this shit don't excite me. Turn to a boss, you never met, no one like me.
We're on the trap, pay what you owe. Yeah, my niggas, we get it and go. If you say that it's smoke, then we land and blow. Niggas say that they shooters, they might hit a toe. How you be in my face, but you hate on the low. Hop in the Benz, hit the gas and I go. I be so high, I be switching through flow. Grew up in the water, it's cold like it froze. Like out the winter, sliding, I'm tinted. I ain't stopping this shit till I'm finished. All of my niggas, you know that we winning. We said we up next, bet you thought we was kidding. Gotta collect cause my hand just be itching. I can see that you blind and you missing the vision. On the deluxe, know we deep on the mission. If it's too hot, get the fuck out the kitchen. Listen, know we making it roll like an engine. And we chopping these beats with a weapon. He'll get in the game and you know how we steppin'. On the road, I'ma get what I'm destined. Young king, but to you I'm a blessing. On top hill game, you dead it. I know soon that they gon' get the message.
Rather give me drugs than give me good advice. Brody keep a grip, always stay with advice. And it costs to be the boss, but I still don't pay the price. All my diamonds hit different when you put them in the light. If you hold it down, I'ma put it on a white. I just came in, bet it's going by the night. Been getting money, man, this shit don't excite me. Turn to a boss, you never met, no one like me. Rather give me drugs than give me good advice. Brody keep a grip, always stay with advice. advice. And it costs to be the boss, but I still ain't pay the price. All my diamonds hit different when you put them in the light. If you hold it down, I might put it on a white. I just came in, bet it's gone by the night. Been getting money, man, this shit don't excite me. Turn to a boss, she never met no one like me.
Been getting money, this shit don't excite me. She feeling love cause I'm cool and I'm icy. Still in the jungle, this shit feel like Lion King. Pop out with gang, we leaving the crime. If life was a test, we gon' see where your heart is. I'm moving low key cause I know I'm a target. I walk with the stick like I live in the forest. I deal with my problems, you rather ignore it. I'm pouring, you reaching, I'm leaving them snoring. I step in the booth, get the cooking like foaming. You thought it was real until they stop recording. Pull up and help cash, get the roaring. Niggas don't see the truth like it's foreign. I'm about to pray to the sun in the morning. Putting pressure on my ops so they forfeit. Money coming, I can't even ignore it. Hillcrest on top and we don't gotta force it. They see the drip and they wanna absorb it. She wanna get caught in my orbit. She gotta know how to play the resources. And I ain't calling reinforcements. If it's that, I'm at your door with it. Feel like Kobe, I've been on some scoring shit. I can live like a king for eternity. All this money, this shit don't mean anything. Nigga play with the team, we gon' finish him. I'ma get at you, we gon' spin. That's how niggas get caught in the wind. Lost bro, took that on the chin. That shit gave me more reason to win. If I run up 20, I'm putting up 10. Won't shoot at your body, I aim for the rim. I step in designer, thought I was a pimp. The seat recline when I hop in the Benz. I see your true colors, I know where we stand. Man, this nigga moving like a fan. He must not know who I am. Let's go.
Rather give me drugs than give me good advice. Brody keep a grip, always stay with advice. And it costs to be the boss, but I still ain't pay the price. All my diamonds hit different when you put them in the light. If you hold it down, I might put it on a white. I just came in, bet it's gone by the night. Been getting money, man, this shit don't excite me. Turn to a boss, you never met no one like me. Rather give me drugs than give me good advice. Brody keep a grip, always stay with advice. And it costs to be the boss, but I still ain't pay the price. All my diamonds hit different when you put them in the light. If you hold it down, I might put it on a white. I just came in, bet it's gone by the night. Been getting money, man, this shit don't excite me. Turn to a boss, you never met no one like me.
I got a bottle of Patron and some lights off. Two red devil looking eyeballs. And I finna turn up when the night falls. If you hear a siren, then it's my fault. Jump in my whip, baby, let's ride. We ain't gonna stop at a red light. And I'ma take shots like a Tech 9. It's gonna get live. Here we go, it's about to go down. Let me know, I'ma buy another round. Get low, drop it down to the ground. Oh yeah, wow, shorty make it